Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I bring you a simple recipe of how to make chicken biryani at home. Guys, it's so simple. I hope you like this video and I hope you try it out. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, kindly subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of these simple recipes that you can make at home. And I would like to thank everyone that has been supporting me to this far. So let's begin. So the first thing that I like to do is to prepare the chicken, and I'm going to blend 2 tomatoes. I added tomato paste to it, and then I added spices that I'm going to write all the spices that I added here on the side so that you can see them. So I'm going to blend the tomatoes. I added garlic, 5 cloves of garlic to it. And then I added all the spices. And then I added 500 milliliters of buttermilk, maziwa mala. You can use plain yogurt. And then this is how the mixture looks like after blending. And I'm just going to pour that into this whole chicken. I have already cleaned the chicken. And I'm just going to add the mixture, give it a very good mix, and then I'm just going to leave it for 2 hours to marinate. You can leave it for even longer if you have time. I was in a hurry, so I just had to leave it for 2 hours. And then at this point, I'm just frying the onions. And the idea is to fry them to a golden brown color. I'm adding more oil because I realized that I had put less oil to the onions. And these are 4 large onions, and I have cut them into rings. So you can add more oil if you see that the oil that you put at the beginning is not enough. And besides, you're not going to waste the oil after frying the onions. You can use it for cooking, and later in this recipe, you'll see that I'm going to use that oil to cook the chicken and the rice. So the onions are ready. I'm just going to scoop them out of the oil and then set them aside and set the oil aside, ready for the next step. So this is the chicken after 2 hours, and I'm just cooking it on low medium flame. And then I added the oil that I had fried the onions in. I just added like 2 tablespoons or more if your chicken is bigger, and then I'm just going to give that a very good mix and then cook it on a low flame until it's ready. So after cooking for some time, I added the onions when it was almost ready. You can see almost all the water, all the marinade has evaporated, and you can see the chicken is ready after cooking it for some time. It has thickened, the sauce has thickened. Yeah, and it's ready. So next I'm going to prepare the rice. And I'm preparing 1 cup rice, so I'm going to add water 2 cups to a saucepan, and then I added oil and salt, and the oil that I added, guys, is the same oil that I fried the onions in. And then I added salt to taste. And then I put the rice and cover that to cook on medium flame. When the rice is almost ready, I added food color, and I'm using orange food color. I'm just going to pour it like that into patterns. I had diluted some orange color. The other one was not diluted. So I just added like that. And then I'm going to cover the rice for it to cook properly because it was not fully cooked. The water had not evaporated all of it at this point. So So you can see the way it's looking. It's ready, guys, and it's looking so nice. I love it. So I just give that a mix, and I'm using a fork to do that. You can see it's looking good, and our chicken is ready. So the biryani is ready to serve. And I already made kachumbari on the side. I have that recipe on my channel, and I'm going to link it in the description box, guys. So the biryani is ready. Like you can see, it was so simple. I know there are many different ways of making biryani, but this is the one that I find simple, and it's the one that I like to use most of the time. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.